YouTube? Do you understand all the ins and outs of Instagram and how to really make it work to drive traffic for you? If you're like me, you probably don't. Now, I admit I cheated on Instagram. I'll explain to you in just a minute. But right now, I want to tell you about this incredible new software and course called Instaboss. It's really, really cool. We're going to talk about it right away. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And if you're new to the channel, by the way, feel free to skip ahead. But if you're not new to the channel, why am I known as man with a hat? Well, because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere I go. And I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money on my niche. And why would I do that? Well, it's very simple, actually. I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, this is good stuff, okay? Pay attention. It's good stuff. Bart does this all the time. He's really annoying. He's such an annoying person, he can't stop complaining. Bart, stop complaining already. It's enough. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip in my head to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thanks, Liz. See, since the lockdown happened, we started watching 30 Rock again, and I love Liz. She's such a sweetheart, and I love the deal breakers thing, by the way, and this thing is definitely not a deal breaker, but we're going to talk about it in just a minute. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and select all notifications, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like the video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome. This is the sales page for Instaboss.
Well, what do you know about being a mob boss?
Not a mob boss, an Instaboss. Pay attention. Anyway, so like a lot of people, and I'm not a big fan of when people do this. I personally try not to do it unless it really is relevant. Like a lot of people, what they've done here is basically they've gone ahead and put up some images here involving money that's being made from what they claim is free traffic. It's not really entirely the case. The fact of the matter is that this is partially free traffic, but not entirely free traffic. The reason is very simple, actually. You see, they've got whoever this is. I don't know exactly whose account this is, but whoever this is probably one of the big marketers behind Instaboss, which means that they're getting traffic both from Instagram as well as from their personal email lists. And when they do that, that means that they're making more money than you're likely to make. That doesn't mean that it doesn't work. It does work. What it does mean is that the numbers are a bit off. I'd say $122 is doable. $900, that's a stretch. Anyway, I like to be honest when I'm doing these reviews, and it is brought to you by our Flair, Ram Mawad, Palagosha. I don't know who Robert Emmy is. I'm guessing they're probably partnered with him. He's probably the person who created the software or something, or maybe he actually did this case study. Anyway, bottom line is like this. So this is basically a course and software on how to use Instagram. Now, I have to admit, by the way, I cheated with Instagram. I basically started with an Instagram account which had nearly 5,000 followers already. My account currently has over 7,000 followers, but I was able to start out basically by cheating. And it's not really cheating. It's a cheat in the sense that I kind of use a little shortcut that did the job for me, not using bots or anything like that. So I'm not talking about, paying somebody for like cheap bots to go and like your videos, because that's completely useless and worthless. I'm talking about an actual way of getting an Instagram account. And that's part of my custom bonus for you. I am actually going to be giving you how I was able to start out with a real Instagram account with real followers and build it further from that initial point of 5,000 followers. You can actually start with accounts that are even more It does cost a little bit of money. It's not free, but it's not buying bots or buying likes or anything like that. It's completely different. It's something really unique that you probably haven't heard of. And it really does work quite well, actually. I've used it. I've gotten results from Instagram because of that. I am also going to give you 20 Instagram ready videos that you can go ahead and actually use on Instagram to basically keep building things up a little bit more. In addition to that, I am also going to be giving you a whole bunch of stuff that actually Art and company are giving me to give to you. So, for example, I have the FB Traffic Hack. I'm also going to have FB Traffic Enigma, Traffic Titan, Easy Profit Secrets, and 6-minute profits. All those are going to be included as well when you pick this up from me. Now, it is $27. It's not free. It's $27. If you want with the software, if you want without the software, it's going to be $17. I recommend getting the software. The software is really cool. I'm going to show it to you in just a second. So basically, when you log in, you can actually there's two different things. You're going to first of all, this is the members area with just the course. So you're going to get a course that explains everything to know about Instagram, which is really, really cool because I didn't know a heck of a lot about Instagram when I started with it. I still don't know a whole lot, so I was really happy to get this course. Okay. In addition, they have this software. Now, the software is actually really, really cool. So what it does like this, basically you can create campaigns on Instagram. And what it'll do for you is like this. It'll actually create image campaigns as well as carousel campaigns where you have multiple images that are going to rotate. And you can actually put them both in Instagram posts and Instagram stories, two different parts of it. They'll explain more in the course. And what you can do is like this. You can actually go here, for example, and you can actually go ahead and see they have all these templates that are already made. You can actually select one. Let's say we want this one to 50% off. Okay, you can use that. And you can actually go in here and they have an editor inside the software that's going to let you edit the thing. See, my computer cooperates with me here. Here we go. You can actually edit the thing here. Okay, and you can see here, let's say I want to make it 30% off. So just go ahead and do that. Change 30%, whatever I want. I can change the colors, I can change whatever I want in this thing. And then once I'm done, I can actually go ahead and use the software to post this onto Instagram automatically. It'll automatically get all these things set up, which is a really, really cool feature that I have not used actually in Instagram. I've actually used Instagram just to drive traffic off of the website. But if you have an Instagram account that you created organically as opposed to the way I did it, then you can use this method as well. The way I did it was a little bit different. It still does work, and it makes things faster. The other thing that's nice here is the trend finder, which basically if you want to search for a particular topic, you do have to have an account. Okay, and I haven't linked my account because this is a general access account that is offered to affiliates. So I'm not going to put my personal account on here, but you can go ahead and search in here for keywords to find trends that are popular on Instagram that you can go and capitalize on in order to further build up your Instagram account. Okay. In addition, of course, you do have, as I said, this course, and you have all of my bonuses they're going to get as well, which is really, really cool and really, really nice. So let's see if I can give a tip my head to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yes, indeed, you guys rock. This is a really, really cool software and really cool course. For $27, you really, really can't go wrong. If you are serious about building traffic on your website, get this thing, start using it, start building yourself up on Instagram, and start making some money off of it. Don't just let it sit around, actually use it, and you're going to get some serious results. Highly recommended.